Ageless fitness hacks to keep you in shape after 50. Staying fit after 50 doesn't have to be an overwhelming task. With the right mindset, tailored strategies, and dedication, anyone can maintain an active lifestyle, enhance their strength, and enjoy a high quality of life well into their golden years. As we age, our bodies undergo natural changes, but that doesn't mean we have to accept decline in our fitness levels. Instead, we can focus on simple yet effective strategies that promote longevity, improve mobility, and maintain muscle tone. Strength training and resistance exercises. One of the most important aspects of staying fit after 50 is incorporating regular strength training into your routine. Resistance exercises are crucial because they help maintain lean muscle mass, which tends to decrease with age. The loss of muscle, often referred to as sarcopenia, is a natural part of aging, but can be mitigated with the right approach. Resistance training not only boosts muscle strength but also enhances bone density, reducing the risk of fractures and osteoporosis. This is especially important for older adults who are more prone to bone-related issues. To start, resistance training doesn't mean you need to lift heavy weights. Bodyweight exercises like push-ups, squats, and lunges can be incredibly effective. These exercises engage multiple muscle groups and help build functional strength, which is important for daily activities like walking, climbing stairs, or carrying groceries. Using resistance bands or lighter weights can be just as beneficial, allowing you to focus on controlled movements and avoid excessive strain on your joints. Moreover, strength training isn't just about building muscles. It plays a vital role in improving balance and stability, reducing the risk of falls, a common concern as we age. Cardiovascular exercise for heart health. Cardio exercises are crucial for heart health and maintaining a healthy weight as you age. Many people believe that high-intensity cardio is the key to staying in shape, but the truth is that moderate-intensity cardiovascular exercise can be just as effective. The key is consistency in finding activities that you enjoy, making it easier to stick with them over time. Low-impact activities, such as brisk walking, swimming, or cycling, are excellent choices for older adults. These exercises reduce the strain on joints while providing great cardiovascular benefits. Brisk walking, for instance, strengthens the heart, improves circulation, and boosts endurance without putting too much pressure on the knees and hips. Additionally, swimming is an excellent full-body workout that engages multiple muscle groups while providing a low-impact environment that's easy on the joints. Regular cardiovascular exercise doesn't just help with heart health, it also aids in weight management. As we age, our metabolism tends to slow down, which can lead to weight gain if not managed properly. Consistent cardio, combined with strength training, helps burn calories, boosts metabolism, and prevents unwanted fat accumulation. Moreover, cardiovascular exercises release endorphins, which contribute to improved mood and reduced stress levels. Flexibility and mobility work. Flexibility and mobility become increasingly important as we grow older. The loss of flexibility and range of motion can lead to discomfort, reduced independence, and decreased quality of life. Stretching exercises and mobility work help counteract these changes, ensuring that you remain active and agile. Stretching exercises help improve the elasticity of muscles and connective tissues, reducing the likelihood of stiffness and discomfort. Incorporating dynamic stretching, such as leg swings or arm circles, helps warm up the body, preparing the muscles for activity. Static stretching, where you hold a stretch for a longer period, enhances flexibility and helps maintain joint health. Maintaining flexibility also aids in preventing injuries. When your muscles and joints are flexible, they are less prone to sudden strains or discomfort. Regular mobility exercises such as yoga or Pilates are excellent options because they target not only flexibility but also core strength, which contributes to better posture and balance. For instance, yoga poses like the Warrior Series or the Tree Pose help strengthen key areas like the hips, spine, and legs, promoting stability and reducing the risk of falls. Mobility work also includes activities like foam rolling, which helps release tight muscles and improves blood circulation. By keeping the connective tissues supple and releasing tension, foam rolling can reduce the risk of chronic pain and improve overall joint function. Nutrition for longevity and energy. Nutrition plays a vital role in staying fit after 50. As we age, our nutritional needs change, and it becomes essential to focus on a balanced diet that supports energy, muscle maintenance, and overall well-being. A key component of this is consuming adequate protein to preserve lean muscle mass, especially as muscle loss becomes more pronounced with age. Protein intake becomes even more critical as you age because it helps maintain muscle strength and bone density. Include lean sources of protein such as chicken, fish, eggs, legumes, and plant-based proteins like tofu and beans. Protein helps with tissue repair, immune function, and maintaining energy levels throughout the day. Consuming enough protein, combined with resistance training, supports muscle maintenance and reduces the risk of sarcopenia. Additionally, the inclusion of nutrient-dense foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats is crucial for optimal health. Antioxidants found in fruits and vegetables help combat inflammation, which can contribute to chronic conditions like arthritis and cardiovascular diseases. Whole grains provide essential fiber, supporting digestion and keeping blood sugar levels balanced. Healthy fats, like those from avocados, nuts, and olive oil, are important for brain health and hormone regulation. Rest and recovery. Rest and recovery often take a backseat when people are focused on their workout routines, but they are just as important as the workouts themselves. As we age, recovery becomes increasingly crucial because the body's ability to repair itself slows down. Proper rest ensures that your muscles recover, allowing you to perform better during your next workout and reducing the risk of injury. Sleep is one of the most effective forms of recovery. During deep sleep, the body goes into repair mode, helping restore energy levels, regulate hormones, and repair muscle tissue. Chronic sleep deprivation can lead to increased inflammation, weakened immune function, and reduced muscle strength. Therefore, prioritizing a consistent sleep schedule and ensuring you get 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night is essential for maintaining optimal health after 50. In addition to sleep, active recovery methods like stretching, foam rolling, or gentle yoga sessions can help soothe sore muscles and enhance flexibility. Taking rest days between intense workouts allows the body to rebuild and grow stronger. Over time, pushing through fatigue without adequate rest can lead to overuse injuries and burnout. Staying consistent with lifestyle changes. One of the biggest challenges after 50 is staying consistent with your fitness and health goals. The key to maintaining fitness over the long term is to develop sustainable habits that fit in your daily life. Setting realistic goals and tracking progress helps keep you motivated and committed to your health journey. Creating a fitness routine that combines strength training, cardio, flexibility, and rest ensures a well-rounded approach. Consistency doesn't mean working out every day. Finding a balance between exercise, rest, and social activities is crucial. Establishing a support system, whether through friends, family, or fitness communities, provides encouragement and accountability. Additionally, setting small, achievable goals helps build momentum. For instance, committing to walking for 30 minutes a few times a week or attending a yoga class regularly can provide structure without feeling overwhelming. By celebrating small victories along the way, you'll foster a sense of accomplishment and maintain long-term motivation. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.